The Hyundai VEX is an industrial wearable exoskeleton designed to support upper body movement and reduce muscle strain during overhead tasks. It weighs 2.8 kilograms and accommodates users with a height range of 160 to 190 centimeters, priced at $3,500. The device features a lightweight, backpack-style frame that transfers weight efficiently while enhancing arm and shoulder endurance. It is used on production lines where workers must perform tasks that require reaching overhead or working beneath vehicle bodies for long periods, as it allows workers to sustain these positions longer and with less physical strain. It includes a Y-shaped backbone connected to a pelvis belt and safety belt for stability. The shoulder support system is composed of a first shoulder link, second shoulder link, yaw joint, and pitch joint, which allow natural arm movement while providing lift assistance. The assistive mechanism and cuffs help distribute load evenly across the arms. Comfort elements such as a neck cushion, shoulder straps enhance wearability. The yaw joint is a rotational joint that allows movement around a vertical axis, while the pitch joint enables the arm to move up and down. These joints provide coordinated motion, as the pitch joint supports the primary lifting action, while the yaw joint assists with side rotation. The high task involves the arms raised vertically above the shoulders, while the low task requires the arms positioned closer to a horizontal level. Sensors such as an IMU and an EMG sensor are attached to the arm to measure movement angle and muscle activity. The EMG sensors are attached to measure muscle activity during exoskeleton use. On the front of the body, sensors are placed on the anterior deltoid, pectoralis major, and bicep. On the back, sensors are attached to the lateral deltoid, infraspinatus, and erector spinae muscles. This design allows the exoskeleton to operate without motors or batteries, using purely mechanical energy transfer. The mechanism behaves much like a biological muscle tendon system, offering smooth and natural support during repetitive or overhead movements. It passively stores and releases energy to provide lift assistance when the user lowers or raises their arm. It uses a multi-link mechanism that mimics the function of muscle tendons, where the user can choose from different 6 levels of supports. The Hyundai VEX provides shoulder support within a motion range of approximately 100 to 130 degrees from the upright position. This range enables users to comfortably raise their arms overhead while maintaining mechanical assistance throughout the movement. The exoskeleton's design ensures that the support mechanism aligns with natural shoulder motion, allowing smooth elevation without restricting flexibility or reach during high-position tasks, such as overhead assembly or welding. The Hyundai VEX features a polycentric shoulder joint mechanism that uses multiple pivot axes to replicate the natural motion of the human shoulder. Each shoulder joint functions mechanically independent, yet remains synchronized through the vest's frame.